Hello and welcome to Crafting Unedited. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are going to talk about creative Fabrica. I know it sounds more like a dish than it does a website. Either way, I'm down for it. So recently, I was searching for some images and my normal place didn't have them, and I just wanted something different. So Creative Fabrica was one of the things that popped up on my search, and they reached out to me and they wanted to do a collaboration, and I told them I would do a video for them, and I am so glad that I did because I absolutely love their stuff. So they have not just graphics, but they have graphics, fonts, resources, tools, print on demand, classes, bundles, just an insane amount of crafty, fun things that you can get. And their unlimited craft resources is just $12 a month. It is crazy. It's not super expensive, and they do have some free stuff as well. So I just want to take you through their website real quick and show you some of the really awesome perks that comes with their package, okay? And then we'll go over the packages as well. So right here on their home screen, you can see right here, that's how you spell it. I'll put it in the description as well for you. But they have unlimited access to 75,000 fonts, unlimited craft resources for just $12, 3,794,629 graphics, and download resources for free. That becomes, sorry, that's what you get when you do their bundles. So they have fonts, and you can see here that they have multiple types. You have your script and handwritten, display, sans serif, black letter, slab. I don't know why that was so hard to read. It's just serif, decorative, dingbats, color fonts, and just discounted ones. Just literally, I mean, we can go through it here. I'll show you all the fonts. I'm not going to show you all the fonts. I'm going to show you the list of all of the fonts because boy, oh boy, this would take years to go through. This is only one page, and one page has 400 different ones, and there are 9 pages. So you need a font. This is the place to go. I mean, you've got everything. You had COVID-19 fonts, you had box fonts, you have royal fonts, drink fonts, fabric fonts, baby fonts, calligraphy, outline, text, beautiful fonts, colorful fonts, geometric fonts, birthday card fonts, female fonts, presentation fonts. You've got them all. As far as graphics go, you have your, we'll do the same thing here. And here you can see their quote unquote popular this week font graphics. This was one of my absolute favorite bundles. I had to have it, as well as the Vintage Santa. They are just so freaking cute. Look at these gnomes. Oh my goodness. The reindeer gnome. How freaking cute. All of these are just so adorable, especially with Christmas, like right around the corner. When I'm recording this video, it is November. It's actually the week before Thanksgiving. So Christmas is going to be the theme that you guys see for the most of. Hot cocoa cozy. Aw, how cute. I could sit on here for days and just get lost. It's like the TikTok of crafting. It's crazy. So you can see here that they have 3D SVGs. I'll show you what those are real quick. So these are things that you can create using 3D SVG cut files. So like a lot of these are for I'm drawing a blank, paper crafting, and the like glow forge wood crafting, but most of it's paper crafting, but it's like boxes and 3D oh my goodness, what do you call those? Mandalas. I couldn't think of what they were called. But look at, there's a Christmas house, Charlie Brown inspired Christmas ornament, a gnome, paper lanterns, like lots of really cool stuff. Yeah, Cricut Design Space does have some of this stuff, but nowhere near as much. They have coloring books for adults, kids, teaching materials, patterns, crochet patterns, knitting patterns, cross stitch patterns, quilt patterns, sewing, mock ups. I love their mock ups. Logos, illustrations, backgrounds, interiors, everything you need. Crafts. It even has it sorted by crafts. You could do designs, craft club, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, fall, spring, Easter. Since it's Christmas time, we'll look at the Christmas one. Look at how cute. Little ornament, letter to Santa, a Merry Christmas SVG. Look at this Christmas SVG. This is adorable. Express delivery from the North Pole. Merry Christmas. There's so many. Look at these. Like, how cute. Oh, T-Rex. So just multitudes of things that you can find here. The Craft Club, what that is, as soon as my computer decides to load, I'll explain it. It's a forum, kind of like Facebook, kind of, but it shows like submit a design question. So basically you say, I am looking for something with Hanukkah, because I recently found that not a lot of these places have Hanukkah related things. So I would like to see things for Hanukkah. You submit a design request and the Craft Club puts their stuff out there. It's really awesome. If you're having trouble finding something, even for purchase or for free, you just submit a design request right there and somebody will help you out. If you do embroidery, they have an entire thing, a whole library of embroidery designs for you. I was trying to there we go. I was trying to lag my wording there so that you could see. But if you do embroidering, all of these are included with your package as well. You see the check mark here. You can download this product for no additional charge as part of the All Access subscription, which I currently have. And then classes, they do have a forum where they can show you how to do everything. Create your own sublimation designs, drawing gnomes in Procreate, start your own small craft business, how to begin machine embroidering, so many things that you can just go through and learn how to do. Super fun. And you can go based on category. Graphic design, I need to take a class in that because I really suck at it. Alrighty, so tools, you can use Font Cloud. I'm still learning these, Font Cloud, Shape Cloud. So these, I believe, are ones that, tools that you can use to create your own fonts. Same with the Craft Club, the Artistry. I'm not entirely sure what the Artistry is, but I'm sure that it has something to do with designing. Print on demand, POD. You'll see this everywhere on every design website similar to this one, is anything that has that POD label next to it. What that means is that you can print on demand. What that means is that you can send it off to a third-party vendor and have them print on demand for you. If you do not see that print on demand, you cannot send it off to somebody else to do unless you pay for it. You could get hit with copyright issues and stuff like that. So it's just easier to make sure that it's in part of that print on demand. Same thing if you use any of the fonts, you want to make sure that they're print on demand eligible so that you can use the font in your designs and send them off. A little tip for you, don't use print on demand store unless it has that print on demand logo, placement, placard, whatever you call it. Now to the bundles. Bundles. Everybody loves a good deal, right? So you can build your own bundle, or you can go with one of the pre-put together, that doesn't make any sense. Anyways, one of the bundles that are already put together for you. You can choose from a font bundle, you can choose from an SVG bundle, you can choose from a graphic bundle. There are bundles on bundles on bundles on bundles. And most of these bundles come with your all access subscription. And I mean, like, all of them. It's crazy. Like, look at this. All of them. Normally, these are between $2 and I believe all the way up to like $25, $30 for the bundles. But with the package, you get them all for free and then some. Alrighty, so fans, I think this is just the page where, there you go, creating, oh, okay, that did not work the way that I wanted it to. Support independent crafters and creators. We'll get there eventually, but for now, we're going to go back to Creative Fabrica. Alrighty, and then the bundles, or the packages. Let's go back to the home page here. And view more. This is what I wanted to show you. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. I skipped over the freebies. There is a whole section of freebies right here. So if you don't want to get the all access, which I feel like you definitely should because it is only $12 a month, you can go through the freebies. They have fonts, SVGs, graphics, embroidery, and free classes that you can go through. As you can see, there are a ton of freebies here, and they're not crappy. They're really good images, actually. So, retired plumber, not my problem anymore. These are hilarious. But yeah, you can go through fonts, SVGs, graphics, classes, all of that. They also have a discount deals. It's just the discounted bundles and images. See here. So this one is normally $16. Because I have the access, I have access to all these for free anyway. But you guys, if you don't have the access package, they would be discounted to like maybe half or like a percentage off. But again, going back to, I think that the all access does make sense. I was trying to find the page for the listing of like the packages that you can get. So you can also share and get free bundles. So if you share it on Facebook, you'll get 15 free craft files. I already get them, so I'm not going to go ahead and share. Hey, go away. No, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, so you can do... Okay, so this is how this works. You get a free font, but then you can buy this for $1, buy this for $1, buy this one for $1. That's cute. Or this one's free, and then you can get these. There's so many more too. I'm trying to find the packages. Hang tight. Sorry guys, can't find the packages. Weird. Why won't it let me show you the packages? I know there's a free thing. There's a paid version too, but I'm pretty sure it's just a $12 a month. I don't know why it's so hard to find the the cost. Oh, I got an idea. I'm gonna sign out. Should have thought about that to begin with. Log out. There we go. And now I'm just gonna go to their home thing and see what pops up. Oh, there we go. Look at that. See, now you can see, because I don't have that package, you can see the cost, the prices. I should have signed out from the beginning. What was I thinking? Sorry, guys. There we go. This is what I was looking for. It is all access crafts for 3 months is only $12. So $12 for 3 full months. I will have a link in the description of this video for you. $12 for 3 months, and you saw what you get. So you get this. Hundreds of thousands of things for just $12 for 3 full months. And in those 3 full months, you can download as many things as you want and keep them for life. $12 for 3 months. Cancel anytime. What's gonna go wrong? It's $12 over 3 months, so it's $3 a month. Did I do that math right? No, $4 a month. Sorry. It's early and my math skills are non-existent. So this was the whole thing that I was trying to find for you. You get access to all of these cut files, download once, keep forever, personal and commercial use, new designs added daily, and you can download as many as you want. There is no cap. It is, like I said, only $12 per month, or $12 for 3 months, so it's not terrible. I do have another company that I use, designbundles.net. They are $19 a month for their stuff. I do really like what they do and what they have available. Both sites have some of the same things, but they both also have some really different designs and images and fonts available. So I say go for both, but I mean, adding $4 a month is not terrible. So that's all I really had for you guys today. I just wanted to show you their website and show you the deal that you can get. Again, it's $12 for 3 months, which is not terrible, and you can cancel it at any time. So you're not stuck with it, and you can get as many designs, fonts, images that you want in that 3 months. That's a lot of designs that you can add to your computer. You might need an external hard drive to add to that. But remember to like this video, comment, share, everything. And then, like I said, that link will be in the description for you to sign up. I do get a little bit of commission for each purchase that you make. But it doesn't add anything to your side. It just comes to me from the company, their way of thanking me for showing their products. So remember, like I said, like, share, all that. Comment if you have questions. I'd be more than happy to help you out. And until next time, my crafty friends, we'll see you later.